Now let's say, for instance, a Korean has asked you how old you are,
혹시 나이가 어떻게 되세요?
and you don't know how old you are.
몇 살이에요?
Well, this is going to save your life. Hey guys, I'm Liam, and today I'm going to be talking about how to kind of answer the question of how old are you, but also what year were you born? Obviously, the thing about Korean that's very difficult about talking about age is they count age differently. So basically, in summary, if it's not your birthday yet, add 2 years to your age. And if your birthday's passed this year, then just add 1 year to your age and you'll have your Korean age. So let's say someone asks us how old we are. The most common way you might hear this is 몇 살이에요? 나이는 어떻게 되세요? 혹시 나이가 어떻게 되는지 물어봐도 될까요? And in that sense, you would answer, I'm 25, I'm 26. 나 25살이에요. 나 26살이에요. And it's very straightforward. You basically just say, 저는 뭐뭐 살이에요. So age 살이에요. If you really want to be specific, and you don't have to be, but if you, for any reason, you really want to be accurate, and you can say 만 나이. So 만 나이 is like Western age. 저는 만 나이로 26살이에요. So whatever my Western age is. And then if we're talking about Korean, 저는 한국 나이로 27살이에요. Another way to answer this that I've kind of found is my go-to way, to be honest, because I hated counting my age while living in Korea. I found it very difficult. I would basically say when I was born. If someone asks you how old you are, and I just answer with when I was born, they're doing the maths for you. You don't have to do the maths. So I would basically say, 나 뭐뭐 년생이에요. 년생이에요. So 저는 96년생이에요. So I'm 96, 96 year이에요. So I was born in 1996 is basically what I'm saying.
너 몇 년생이야? 근데 이거 제일 많이 쓰는 것 같아. 너 몇 년생이야? 그럼 나는 96년생. 이렇게 그냥 짧게 대답하면 돼.
That, I think, will save you a lot of headaches since you don't have to count how old you are and you're not going to get confused. Another time that you might answer what 년생이야, so when you were born, is 언제 태어났어요? So when were you born? Or
언제 태어났어? 아니면은 몇 년도에 태어났어?
몇 년생이에요? Which is asking again, so basically what year were you born or what year person are you? And those are when you'd kind of straight up answer with, I'm born in 1996. 전 96년생이에요. You wouldn't answer with, my age is 26. In that sense, you would definitely just say when you were born. So hopefully that clears that up. Where if someone asks you, how old are you? You can kind of answer your age or you can answer your year of birth as a backup. So to recap, if someone asks you how old you are, the easiest way that you won't get wrong and you won't need to count your age is basically saying when you were born. So 뭐뭐 년생이에요. But if you want to count, remember that if your birthday hasn't happened yet, you're 2 years older than you currently are. That's your Korean age. Or if your birthday has happened this year, then you're 1 year older than you currently are. That's your Korean age. Hope you enjoyed this. If you have any other questions, please let us know in the comments. And I hope to see you guys next time.